Here is an Android head unit for Volvo S60 and V60. Now I'm gonna show you how to connect these wires. This is the back side of the display. Here is the main cable, here to here, and this is the transfer board. You have to connect this to the original radio. Disassemble original host and transfer our main board to the original host. Connect our main board to the original host. Then this here to here, and this ACC to this, and this is to the little speaker here to here, and this one ignore it. This is connect to the back camera. This is the backup camera. The original one to this, and this to the cam CVBS. This is to the front camera. Let's finish the backup camera first. This red to this red, put them together, then put it to the positive of the backup cam. No, the real V cam light, and this to the negative of real V light. Here is two USB cables, and this is the CAN bus box. Here to the car, and this side also to the original radio. This is the power cable to the original transfer original power cable to here.